Namaskar and welcome. I Yatharth Sikka in the next few minutes will be getting you the big 24 news of the last 24 hours. Senior RSS Pracharak and Sanskar Bharati's founder Padma Shri Baba Yogendra Ji passes away at the age of 98. He played an instrumental role in setting up Sanskar Bharati, the cultural wing of RSS, and popularizing the Hindu view of arts. Mamata Banerjee incites Islamists to stage protests in Delhi as mob blocks Bengal roads demanding Nupur Sharma's arrest. The Islamists block the highway, which results in traffic halt for hours. They burn tires and harass civilians in the name of protest. Former BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma's effigy found hanging in Belgavi, Karnataka. After issuing rape and death threats and announcing bounty, Islamists have adopted the Taliban style to show their hatred towards Nupur Sharma. After Jamia Masjid in Jammu, Islamists in large number protested at Delhi's Jama Masjid against former BJP leader Nupur Sharma and Naveen Jindal for their remarks about the life of Prophet Muhammad. Islamists opposed the Environment Day celebration in Jamia Millia Islamia. Jamia campus witnessed slogans like Narai Takbir, Allahu Akbar and ABVP Murdabad against the Environment Day celebration on June 6. A Muslim mob attacked Hanuman temple at Albeta Eka Chowk, Ranchi, Jharkhand after the Friday Namaz. Namazis pelted stone in Prayagraj after Friday Namaz over the remarks of suspended BJP leader Nupur Sharma. CM Yogi directed to take strict actions against Islamists after the incidents of stone pelting broke out in various parts of the state. NIA raids multiple locations in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, suspected to have links with ISIS. The central agency has taken over the probe of a case in which Sadiq Basha, running an outfit called Khalifa Party of India, and his associate threatened police officers with a gun. PFI's Al-Qaeda connection exposed in Assam. The Assam police investigation reveals that former PFI leaders were running the jihadi network in Assam, which is patronized by Ansar Ullah Bangla. Security forces foiled terrorist plan to attack civilians. NAP-2 in Sapor, Kashmir. Arms and ammunition were also recovered from the terrorists, including 2 pistols and magazines. Tensions flare in Jammu's Badarwah town over social media posts. Curfew imposed and internet suspended. The tensions flared after a purported video went viral in which an instigated announcement was made from Jamia Mosque. AIMIM supports Shiv Sena candidates for Rajya Sabha elections, puts conditions including increasing income of Waqf board and Muslim reservation. The AIMIM leader Imtiaz Jalil pointed out that the Islamic Party's differences with Shiv Sena will continue to exist despite its support for the Mahavikas Aghadi government. He highlighted that the defeating the BJP is the sole objective of AIMIM in the Rajya Sabha polls. In the Haryana Rajya Sabha polls, BJP-JJP backed independent candidate Kartikeya Sharma, writes to Election Commission of India demanding the cancellation of votes of Congress MLAs Kiran Chaudhary and BB Batra due to violation of secrecy of votes in the conduct of election rules 1961. In the Kanpur violence, ATS probes into mastermind Hayat Zafar Hashmi's 4 bank accounts. Suspicious transactions of over 50 crore traced. FIR on Samajwadi Party MLC Lal Bihari Yadav for making derogatory remark on Bhagwan Shiv. A case has been filed against him for allegedly making objectionable remarks about Bhagwan Shiv. Yadav has been charged with violating sections of 153A and 153B of IPC. Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in Gujarat Gaurav Abhiyan in Navsari and highlighted the developmental works, saying that the pride of Gujarat is the rapid development of the state in the last 2 decades. During his Gujarat visit, PM Modi inaugurated AM Nayak Healthcare Complex and Nirali Multi-Speciality Hospital. He said the centre has emphasized on holistic approach to improve the health sector in the last 8 years. Prolonging of existing India-China border dispute is not in the interest of either, MEA. MEA spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said India is keeping its eye on various issues, including the construction of infrastructure by Chinese side in the western sector and in further areas. A Muslim man, Ahmed, throws down acid on colleague in Bengaluru after she turns down his proposal. The woman is a mother of 3 children and has sustained injuries in her right eye. Punjab police nabs another sharpshooter Harkamal Rano in Sidhu Moosewala murder case. This comes after a day police arrested another sharpshooter named Keshav on Thursday. Singer Sidhu Moosewala was shot dead in his car on May 29. Interpol also issues red corner notice against Goldie Barar. India reports over 7,000 new COVID-19 cases in last 24 hours. The active COVID-19 case rose to 32,498, adding 8 new deaths. David Miller and RVD propelled South Africa to record-breaking win, chasing a mammoth 212. Miller 64 not out and Vander Dussen 75 not out shared an unbeaten 131 run stand for the fourth wicket to take the visitors home with a consummate ease. Indian historians ignored Ahoms, Pallavas and have only focused on Mughals, said Amit Shah at the launch of a book, Maharana Sahastra Varsha Ka Dharm Yudh. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.